Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a new deck on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, tap on the card icon at the left side. This will then take you into the cards page. Now within the cards page, you will see the different decks that you have available at the top section. In order to create a new one, just tap on the plus icon at the very left. And now this will create your new deck right away. Now within your deck, you can add your desired characters or your cards from the list of available ones. Just tap on your preferred card and then tap on the Add to Deck button, which will then add this card onto your deck. After choosing all 12 cards, you can now name your deck whatever you wish. After naming, you may also change the design of your deck by tapping on the design option and then choosing your preferred design. And now your deck is ready to use. You can go into the play menu and then choose which deck you would like to use alongside the play button. And now you can simply choose the new deck that you have made and press the play button to start playing with this deck right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own deck on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.